world famous Negril Beach. We are here at the world famous Negril Beach, 7-mile strip. 6 or 7 miles, by the way, it's like the longest stretch of beachfront. Got people selling their materials, their flags and stuff. What they do is they make their living. Jamaican hat, man. Looks good, buddy.
Bandanas.
Right on. You're live on YouTube.
Respect, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Welcome to you.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, might see you later, buddy. Thank you. So, we're live at the beach. Here's my crew. Got this iPhone 7, so I'm not too worried about the water, because it's water resistant. There's water. Isn't this gorgeous? Don't be filming me. I got this belly on. I think that's a battleship up there. Way out there. Not too sure. What up, bro? Yeah, man. So we got this gorgeous colored water. Waterproof, it's iPhone 7. waterproof. Yeah, it is actually. I seen someone throw themselves in salt water. I got your ass on camera! I'll be on YouTube tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cool. Nice bum. Yo! Oh, 300-400 feet, no problem. They're up there. Wow, that was pretty good footage. That was pretty good footage.
Come on,
Yeah?
get under the water side.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Come on, let me zoom in on that butt. That's right. Slap that ass.